Hello everyone, and let's make a simple star icon. First of all, we need star tool, this one. Then fill, I select yellow color, stroke off, and if you just click yellow mouse button, you can see like this. Maybe you first of all you will see like this or like this. It depends on situation, of course, and for change the shape, you must push arrow buttons up or down on the keyboard. So if I push arrow button up, I will make this one. So for stabilization, I push shift, and here it is, simple star icon. Thanks for watching. See ya.